Chongqing. I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing. Oh yeah.
We are in Chongqing, and we have a pretty lively, interesting one with lots of people around and all kinds of stimulus and lights and people kind of all about. And this particular one is one of 39 Chongqing videos that I have. So I'm still in the early stages. I put the links down below so you can see those at any moment if you want to see more of me interacting with Chongqing. And subscribe, and I have at least another 30 more to upload as well of different spots around the city. So this particular one is in the Hangya caves, and there's just so much to see. It's like 11 stories. It goes all the way down the mountainside, and I'm just kind of in the middle right now getting, I did the last couple of videos where I was a little higher, and now I'm kind of getting near the lower side. And there's just a lot to see. So anyways, let's just check it all out. Chongqing, you can see it in the background anyways. And the map is behind me as well. And Chongqing, China. Let's take a look. Cool. I've been looking for these kind of places where they have live music. What I'm going to be doing, we're going to be going all the way down. And go down among those crowds way down there. Get a little slice of Chongqing.
来用沙拍照看一看它这一下，真是去的刚才出拍。不如那高兴，只要一觉醒来，装的散漫，阳光的温暖，不需想，不必想。拍照吗？美女们看一看。 We are going to try to navigate through these crowds. You can also sit in these little spaces. Like those. Wow. Be amazing. Some really good meat there. So I don't know, it seems kind of crazy to go into that crowd down there. Like it just looks kind of crazy to do that. Yeah, it's also kind of slow moving as well. But we'll stop along the way. So I'm gonna get into those big crowds. Man, it seems like such a bad idea. But do that. So that goes up into those spaces up there. So of course we could navigate further down, but I'm going to try to capture other stuff. Chongqing, I think I need a photograph like that. That's pretty tasty too. Huh. This is actually a great spot for photos. I think I can walk down that way and just capture this I love Chongqing sign. Right in Chongqing. Yeah, that's super cool. So yeah, this is really cool. So we're gonna meander around a little bit more. Yeah, I like that. That's like amazing right there. Very photogenic. Okay, so we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna go down into these crowds again and continue seeing more of this little space of Chongqing. So we're going to attempt to do, we came from all the way up there. So we're going to head back down. Okay. So this is where all the crowds of people are at. What I'm going to try to do is go up into those crowds. Oh, there's the crowds right there. So I don't know how to get up there exactly. So I think that's a streamer right there. We're going to try to get up in that space. It looks like we're going to have to go all the way over there. This is where we came from. I actually started several videos and I came up from that hotel right there, with the one with all the balconies that are lit up. Okay, so it looks like what I'm going to be doing now is try to get all the way over to that waterfront. Oh, the ear cleaning. Ear cleaning. Okay. All kinds of cool stuff here. So let's get over to that spot that I want to get to. Okay, so I think to get to the waterfront, we need to. You can see people up there, so you can see all those streamers. Wow! So they all got the costume up there. I think those are streamers. We got to get up there and see that too. Or they're just doing photographs there with the background. Either way, we got to get up there. That looks really cool. I heard that the oranges in this area are really good. Are those oranges? So they look really fresh. But I heard that the oranges were out of season. I'm gonna have to try that later, but we have to. I think this is the way to the street. And over here is more weird things. They do it with technology now too. Man, I just love being in Chongqing. I think it's just such a cool city. I gotta get some fresh oranges later.
这船游江的游客，请到这边指定售票处购票登船。游船即将出发，请抓紧时间。这船游江的游客，请到这边指定售票处购票登船。游船即将出发，请抓紧时间。这船游江的游客，请到这边指定售票处购票登船。游船即将出发，请抓紧时间。 坐船游江的游客，请到这边指定售票处购票登船。游船即将出发，请抓紧时间。坐船游江的游客，请到这边指定售票处购票登船。游船即将出发，请抓紧时间。坐船游江的游客，请到这边指定
This is
售票
fresh
处
orange juice, and this city has really good orange juice. Oh, there's the bridge all lit up now. Okay. So now we have this amazing Chongqing skyline. And I guess that guy's going to go all the way down to that waterfront, but I think they close it because they don't really want the tour guides to go down there. Tour groups, I mean. The tourists. Chongqing.
坐船游江的游客，请到这边指定售票处购票。
Oh wow, this comes to a train entrance right there. Huh. So I think I'm going to try to capture this image. Everybody's capturing this train coming through. And that's the bridge. So I think I more or less got to where I wanted to come. I think all these are doing a boat ride, I think. But I'm going to go back up. I'm going to try to do a whole other video maybe tonight. It's getting a little bit too dark. So yeah, the boarding passage is right here. Oh wow, so last time I was here, that orange building over there, I went over there as well. And I filmed, and it was so amazing from that point of view as well. Kind of putting stuff together this time in Chongqing. But we're going to end this video, so I hope you enjoyed all of it.